Today I'm going to show you how to alter just part of an image with Midjourney. So we're going to start off with this image right here, and it's of a man with an umbrella. And if we look at it real closely, you can see that I wanted this to be the front of the man. And this part is the front, this hand, but the other half of him is turned around because his elbow's bent and his arm is around in front of him. And here's the back of the collar of his suit. So it's inconsistent. So I want to fix this part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to go to Vary Region. And you want to probably experiment with this to a certain extent, but you want to cover at least, the area that you want changed and probably a little more so that it can blend it a little bit. And so I'm going to initially leave this exactly the same because it has the line here that I used for it. We could do a lasso here and just go around something. I'm going to just use the square in this case. So you can use either one. I find the square works best for me usually. And I want to really keep this half and change this other half here. So I need to change it, I guess, kind of from here over. So let's try highlighting this part because I like everything else pretty much. And we're going to hit this arrow so that it enters. And let's scroll down here, and it's running the it's running it right now. So let's see what we got. It really did not do much better on this. So let's try this again. So let's try it with go back up and go to this one again. It didn't seem to figure that out. So let's cover the whole entire thing and see if it figures it out. All right, so if we look at this one right here, it's kind of figured it out now. It's turned it around now. So let's upscale that one. And here it is upscaled. So it fixed that one problem there. Now, another thing is we might not like the hands here or whatever. We could select just this section actually of it if we wanted to. But there are other things we can do if we specify. So I'm going to go to the region here, and I'm going to select just basically the umbrella. And it says a person holding an umbrella. I'm going to go in here and alter this to person holding a red umbrella. And you see we have the umbrella selected. So let's see what we get then. So it's done pretty good on this one. Let's use this one right here and let's upscale it. And so you can see right here, it's done really well. We fixed the front of the guy and we've changed the umbrella to red. So there's a lot you can do with varying the region on Midjourney.